So now for something totally different, a pine tree. Eastern white pine is pretty common from the Blue Ridge west, starts dropping off a bit on the Piedmont and the coastal plain, but many of you may be selecting white pine as a crop tree, and it's very easy to identify because the pine trees, the needles always occur in clumps or clusters. The technical term is fascicles, but they're clumps. And in the case of white pine, they're actually clusters of five needles in a bunch every time. And it's the only one we've got here in this eastern U.S. that's going to fall into that category. Not counting a few weird ornamentals you might find in the yard. And if you're thinking like, well, how am I always going to get needles? You can also, again, pick up stuff that's on the ground and look for them in clusters. That makes it really easy to identify is their cones are basically small banana-shaped cones. And it's going to be the only one that's going to be out in the woods that's got a cone like that. All our other pines have more of an egg-shaped cone. So long banana-like cones, you're looking at an eastern white pine, which makes a pretty good crop tree and some pretty darn good lumber.